So what we have today is on 3rd January 2024. So 3 days back we had a tight trading range in Nifty after a strong up move, and 2 days back we had starting of selling. Okay, so this continued to previous day. So previous day we had selling, but Nifty recovered towards close. So we could say that shorts would have closed their positions. A lot of shorts would have closed. And today, opening session, we had a breakdown. Okay, so since we had quite strong price action, today the price action was we didn't have that strong boost. Volatility was there. We had various different price action in different sectors. Previous day, correlation among all sectors were strong, and most of the action was down, at least during the opening session. So this is the 3 minute chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see, once you have the strong down bar, we have literally sideways price action for the rest of the day, and that's what you can see in this bar. So actually, Bank Nifty had a very strong fall, and among other sectors, it was a strong fall. And today was a kind of a day of recovery for this. I mean, IT had a gap down open and continued to move lower. So this typically is when you have a gap down open, you generally don't have a immediately don't have a strong down move. But in this case, it was. So what we can do is we just ignore. We don't try to predict. Once you have a gap down and first bar is a very strong down bar, then you shouldn't have a down move. What we do is we go ahead and see that there's a strong downtrend, and we look for short trade opportunities in IT stocks. So that is the better approach. Okay, so you can see actually if you see previous day we had breakdown of multiple day support. Okay, and after breakdown we had a recovery. So a lot of shorts would have been trapped out. And today was the day when actual we had a strong momentum breakdown. So if you're not able to, but the opening session move, if you're not able to get rest of the day, we don't have much of a move. So we have to add a trade during the first half an hour, at least in the leaders of IT stocks. Okay, so automobile, if you see, we had strong down moves for 2 days, and today it was kind of a distribution kind of price action, where the price, even though it has gone below the previous day low, but there is no momentum in that. Okay, so and infra we had a in Bharati we had a sideways price action, and L&T. So in FMCG, we previous day we had a recovery, and today that continues. And in metals, price still stays above the support level. Okay, and pharma previous day we had a strong up move, and today it is. So basically today was there wasn't much of a uh, predictable price action, and probably not so many trades available. So sector wise, we'll go through. So HDFC Bank did not have a breakdown as strong as at least other banking stocks. So today we had this accelerated breakdown in HDFC Bank. So there's an opportunity previous day closing session low when it fell below that, and we had a tight trading range over there. We have a short trade in possibility in HDFC Bank, and the breakdown of the previous day low would lead to a strong down move. While as in ICICI it is the other way around. In ICICI we had a tight trading range at the low, and then breakdown of that gave us a small up move, not that great. But half a point move, we would have got half a point move. And similarly in other Kotak, so nothing much. And Axis Bank, we had a pretty decent move, and that is because once you have a breakout of the opening days open, now the days open is the days high. So we have this up move, but it's not. We don't have clear exit targets in this. And similarly in IndusInd Bank also we the same thing. Uh, days day open is equal to day high, and then you have this attempt breakout failure of the days open, and the pullback to 5 moving average is a long position. Okay? So and State Bank of India previous day we had a surprise up move, and when the up move failed we didn't have repetition of that. So today we could take a high risk up move, but that's not advisable. And once this is a lower risk at around 11 o'clock. This doesn't have much upside. The upside is the previous day high. Yeah, so Bajaj Finance is the old chart of second. Yeah, and that's it for banking stocks. So in IT stocks, Infi has a very similar price action to Nifty IT. So whatever, the only thing here is the first bar low is in Infi is appears to be a strong support. So pull back to the first bar low gives us a decent short entry, but a small move. Comparatively small move, and then you have a this could be termed as a distribution and followed by a continuation of down move. We have a bigger breakdown in TCS, and the reason is today at open we had breakdown of the last week support level. And this difficult to add a short trade over here because you have to keep a 10-point stop loss. But the on the positive side is we continue to have sell off in. But this is the second bar of the day. Entering at the second or third bar of the day is pretty tough, and we can have wild swing in the first 10-15 minutes. And almost similar price action across most of the IT sectors. Nothing in particular. Probably better trade in L&T Mindtree because you have this kind of doji bar, and when it pulls back to the first bar low, you can add a short trade. Okay, so the breakdown of the first bar low probably will give you a decent move.